We'll guide you through how to unhide workbook Excel sheet. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop. Wait until the start screen fully loads completely before taking any further steps. Then, open the workbook that contains the hidden sheets you want to access. Make sure the file is fully loaded before proceeding so that all features function properly. Look at the Sheet tabs located at the bottom of the Excel window and check carefully if any sheets appear to be missing or hidden from view. Next, right-click on any visible sheet tab. A context menu will appear on the screen with several options. From this menu, click on the Unhide option. After clicking, a dialog box will appear showing a list of all hidden sheets available in the workbook. Take a moment to review the list of hidden sheets and identify the one you want to restore. Select the sheet you want to unhide, then click OK to confirm your selection. Once confirmed, observe that the selected sheet now appears again in the tab area at the bottom. Click on the unhidden sheet to view its content and ensure that the data is displayed correctly. If you have multiple hidden sheets, you will need to repeat the same process. Right-click again on a visible sheet tab, select Unhide. Choose another sheet from the list and click OK to reveal it. Continue this process until all necessary sheets are visible and accessible. In addition to the right-click method, you can also use the ribbon method to unhide sheets. Go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Then click on Format in the Cells group. Hover your cursor over the Hide and Unhide option, and from the submenu, click Unhide Sheet. A dialog box will appear again, allowing you to select the sheet you want to display. Choose the desired sheet and confirm your selection. After unhiding the sheets, scroll through each one to check its content carefully. Make sure no important data is missing and that everything appears as expected. Finally, save your workbook to ensure that all changes are stored correctly and can be accessed again later without any issues.